Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And thank you for clicking this video. If you end up liking it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so we can be friends. Today's video is a review and demonstration of Double Layer Spa Premium Kit. The kit includes the super cute OMG headband, 2-in-1 bubbling microfiber mask, OMG 3-in-1 kit peel-off mask, the 4-in-1 kit zone system mask, and OMG 3-in-1 kit hair repair system. Let's start. So peel off the 24K gold eye mask and gently put under eye. This nourishes the delicate skin under the eye and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines to achieve firmer, revitalized, and youthful looking eyes. Step 2. T-zone charcoal clay mask deeply cleanses, detoxifies, and reduces the appearance of pores. So gently apply it on your T-zone area, like so. Step 3. Apply the U-Zone KAOLIN Clay Mask. This U-Zone KAOLIN Clay Mask revitalizes the skin and helps tighten and tone. Perfect for a really long day and you just wanted to freshen up your skin and give it a little bit of a boost. Let it dry and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to let your skin absorb the products and just chill for a bit while you're waiting for it to dry. Now, the last one, you gotta remove the products, wash off your face, and gently pat dry. Before you head on to the step 4, which is applying a moisture finishing cream. This moisture finishing cream is formulated with advanced hydration active technology, rich hydrating ingredients that will leave your skin restored, replenished, and hydrated. Overall, I love this 4-in-1 kit and I feel my skin is more smoother and tighter. I also love the products and it's so very fun to play with and not boring at all. Everything is made in Korea and the ingredients don't contain any harmful chemicals that is not suited for sensitive skin. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be subscribed to my channel for more beauty reviews, hacks, and tutorials. I'll see you again next time. Bye!